Hi, and welcome to another Altirigos.com training video. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how we can use a network disconnected trigger to enable end users to have a Internet Explorer window display a message letting them know that they have lost either a LAN or Wi-Fi connection. So let me go ahead and show you what's involved with it. From the background, we're going to be using the AppSense Environment Manager application. And very first thing we're going to do, at least in my particular lab, is we're going to have a startup trigger and a node within that. And as you can see, it's very straightforward. All I'm doing is saying that on startup of the computer, let's create a folder and then a subfolder. And once these folders have been created, let's copy some files over. In this particular case, I've got three. I've got a wallpaper JPEG, I've got a disconnected JPEG, and I have a disconnected HTML. For the purposes of this demonstration, we're only going to be interested in the last two that have disconnected as the beginning of it. Disconnected JPEG and disconnected HTML. Next, we're going to have the network disconnected trigger, and I've got a node here called browser homepage. And what this is doing is it is using a custom action to launch when the network is being discovered as being disconnected, or the system has a network disconnect. And if I open this up, what you're going to see is I'm running a PowerShell script, or telling the end system to run a PowerShell script when a network disconnect has been detected. And all this script does is it says open an Internet Explorer window and at a certain width and a certain height, and to navigate to the locally copied disconnected HTML file that I copied down at the computer startup. The disconnected HTML at that point just points to the disconnected JPEG, and the user has a nice little window that pops up. So now that I've explained that, let's go ahead and show you what it looks like to the end user. This is my end desktop system. It's a Windows 7 build. Notice down in the bottom right, I have internet access and I am able to connect to the internet. Let's go ahead and show you that. You can see we got a nice connection out there. Okay, so now that we see that we've got that connection out there and the internet's live, let's go ahead and simulate a disconnected network. So I'm going to go over here to my local area connection and disable. And this isn't a local administrator, so I need to put in my credentials. See, it's disabled. And if everything works right, we should have an Internet Explorer window pop up here in just a second. Oh, here we go. And there we go. No network disconnect, no network connection, LAN or WAN detected. Well, that's going to do it for the Altirigos video on how we can set up an alert message through Internet Explorer using AppSense Environment Manager. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a great day.